Okay, if you're in a little bit of a budget, there are some other training locks available on eBay. They sell them as training locks. This one is a Schlage. It's called a kick cylinder, K-I-K, for key and knob. And the seller has just taken the top plate off and he's threaded the top of this and inserted the little Allen cap screws in it for you. It does come with the Allen wrench to get those in and out. And if you look carefully, there's 2 or 3 extra cap screws. So if you lose one of these, you got a couple of backups in there. This one is not keyed. There's not very many springs here. By the time you get through pinning this up, you're probably only going to have 1 or 2 extra springs. There's a variety of pins, though. There are a few security pins. I see a serrated here, and there's a couple of spools I saw. There's one. But there are a couple of security pins to challenge yourself. It is quite a savings. It's about half price of the Ultimate Challenge Lock, but you get a lot less for your money. In addition, there's something else to take into account. The Ultimate Challenge Lock is a mortise cylinder, so you can comfortably hold it in your hand. These little kicks are a little bit, they're not so comfortable to hold in your hand if you're trying to pick them. So it could be pretty awkward. So if you're going to get one of these, keep that in mind. This almost requires that you have a vise or a pair of pliers to hold it while you pick it. So just a consideration. It does save you money, but there are trade-offs.